How do I make sure my acrylic paint is waterproof?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to make your acrylic paint waterproof. While acrylic paint is already quite durable and water-resistant, it's not entirely waterproof. So, if you want your artwork to withstand water exposure, you'll need to take a few additional steps.
Why isn't acrylic paint naturally waterproof?
Acrylic paint is a type of paint that is water-soluble when wet, but becomes water-resistant when dry. However, being water-resistant is not the same as being waterproof. Acrylic paint can still suffer damage from prolonged exposure to water, particularly in situations where the painted surface isn't adequately protected.
What materials do I need?
To make your acrylic paint waterproof, you will need your acrylic painted object, a clear acrylic sealer, either gloss, satin, or matte, a paintbrush or sponge brush, depending on the size of the object.
How do I apply the sealer?
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Let your acrylic paint fully dry. This may take a few hours to a few days depending on the thickness of your paint. 2. Once your paint is dry, apply a thin layer of the clear acrylic sealer using your paintbrush or sponge brush. Make sure the sealer covers the entire painted surface evenly. 3. Let the sealer dry completely. This could take several hours, but it's best to wait at least 24 hours to ensure it's fully dry. 4. After the first layer of sealer is dry, apply a second layer for added protection. Again, let this layer dry completely. And that's it. Now you know how to make your acrylic paint waterproof. Remember that even with a sealer, no artwork is entirely immune to the effects of prolonged water exposure, but this will certainly provide a significant level of protection. Always try to minimize your artwork's contact with water and ensure that your sealing process is thorough. Happy painting!